that intino. Sami Jen finance on yes, who could intro to Baumia wife or so. And o Dimrican or call radio so as some kind and Yanuquare. And can fessa, Casami Jen fear wedding intro. Caben a dang, Uncle Pachoda. But Napo Quine or Denny Fast intino. And Unti and a Reverend Kusibuati. A brucheha, a bruchery in Yano. And say, aha, who didn't throw two biswa. You go and prove that in court. And until the end to Tumfui, Mimi Timmy Betina Brucheha. Na me sorry, me ye free car will be to me at to be now, Tim. Now I'm road so Brunin Pewa Sem Kura went to me because the court system no any embrani juma. To Reverend Kusi watching. A same way, minim says say, Ukuja told John and me, says on nam back door, Sana Nasami Genfi. I remember Napua Semno, oh, ye knew a Napo boy, ye be court, ye be see. I feel the assembly code do court now with D for no. When I'm radio, so say, Ubin a person say any carrier. Also been a person say any carrier. It is an here. It are for a NDC for no patapano. And that's what will be a Kawai. And that's will be a heading. As so. Now, MPP communication team, Minimsamu boy Juma. And that's as so. Yamagana for the patapa omoye. We can't sit down for this thing to continue in our country. Sabi nkwasiafo bi a omomo bra ema metena ho mese obi a wabobra a successful person in Ghana. So what I say, a successful person in Ghana come and damage that man's reputation. Reverend Kusibuati, we are at your back 100%. Go to court. Okuje topa onsu blood. Minority pa omunsu blood. Court ne de okuje tochu ni mukten asem no wo court obeko court ho. Entino
they will see his business as a wealthy business. But who will be a necran because the want to mention sound, you know, maybe I'll propose out the I have a team of 5 girls, 8 boys. We are dancers. We want to sew uniform, Emma's uniform, so that we shall go and do show me your love on stage. Oh, I'm on cause I beat in a trim. Slim. You people come sit on social media and behave as if everything is okay. You see how I behave? This is who I am. Hey, me say me say me say banchio, gario, e dia na medi na metu media come no prema me ho atomia. That is what I'll stand for. Inti me mfa me ho ntoton kwase asem so. Slim, you are there blaming Nana Akufo-Addo. And untumi ye adwuma and untumi ye hwe ba niam a waye no unhu ye na wadwene so aye wo say sebi se mahama ba and abedi ye de na edue because omma se wo de wo wura ni na akoshem say mahama ba and obedi ye Slim forget you will not be well again baby adu no me pacho ye chem say no say sa na me ye no ye man knowledge ni wi a na ye de 15 na bonija ye de niam egu ha pa ntimonto mobo ase utie. I'm showing you things Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne MPP aban dia ba anka na ewo ho time wana Slim Basta etoto sa ne nkwasi anom na anka ne company sengu. You couldn't even keep a dance company. Say, sa dance company na ewe he. Sa dance for now boys now what see omo kura sa omo ye dancers no. How well did you treat them? Or should we bring them on camera for them to also come and expose you? Including the girls in it. Oh, sorry. Oh, me am dancers. Not only or more. Oh, be on him, kwesi appear be him say, me ni gay be an yadman and that. Mopa, mo family come be a many gay be an yadman and that. Will be on him, be a catcher. Cause I don't do that. You do me jack. Because maybe the idea be between me say. So, when you wait for your Juma, chairman, now say, be on an accorda, or China, when you ada, or they say one a bear of fans. Na again so wa ba so ahwe no be pese o one star boy na won to obetena ho into uti anya yi a na nka wo mo mbetumi aya wo fans aton won nwom no we de ye ni na break obi akoment obi antumi nso mu bio. That is how you broke your own dance company down. Na ne sa boy turumu boy ba ko bi no de ana we woman dress your ba no so many na ba out in there. You have no shame. You couldn't keep a dance together. Dance for mumejina onye break dance like Slim Basta, you couldn't keep it together. But you have the audacity to call Dr. Baumia's name and and bash Dr. Baumia. What but damn papa now Dr. Baumiano? Well, who's young and you have for crass 770 every time we walk on landing. Slim, why? Wo Baumia, unya Baumia go to Jake, Kakrepo, Ewa Wabusiamua, and Kenny. Quite not Joe. To Quasia bar, no, I can be action or come Quasia. Oh, yeah, analysis. Now, something struck me. You know, he loves Chinny Jonas. He loves Kevin Taylor. And from when I saw that, I'm saying, no, this guy is done. He has lost it. Shall we age? Mama men kasem. Ubi afan ajune mamwa. Monsha age. Monsha Slim Basta age. Is that blame? Slim Basta when you change Chinny Jonas Bibri anameboa. Slim Basta papa. Me person me gidi se owunyansa. Change Chinny Jonas meboa. Slim Basta busia penny. Minimum no. But se sa na ye de wo omobane de ane che se enye. But me gidi se omu wunyansa. Na uni ma de bi e won omu ni na so to Slim Basta fu. Shira know how to grow. When to me ansua. When you near penny toto at this time no. And the obesue nyansa free Chinny Jonas. So all the real life e bi ten na ke green e kan wa. See, I cast a life na beat your man. That is how it is. Obi ye dear nahi. Cause wa be semua on to me more baby and you know. Obi small boy be a bibi kakra na ye ya. Me send you obi mumamo. Me say, Chinny Jonas we yes. He's me. I don't subscribe to the foolishness of him insulting our leaders and whatnot. Yes, he might have some pointers here and there, but most of his things, and they say, and Pennyfo, I would do on my table. I'm not gonna condone that. He does that, I'll come after him and done. But listen. Slim Basta Penny Montre, Penny Toto, and that your running briefs, ye shanwa, Sabi, never been in their fruit jenny. So a bear, we are so well to me and Shanyan Sa, copy me so Obesia Chinny Jonas. Can you imagine? You just think about it. I want you to ponder about it because I'm expecting my senior brother to at least have more life experiences than I have. Okay? I'm expecting my father to have more direction for me than my brother. This is a scenario where we have somebody called Kevin Taylor who lives in a cubicle with his white girl, sits there, sets up his own questions and answers them. When his money doesn't go, he insults Mahama. When the money goes, he comes and says, no, Mahama, no vote. Such a fool. We NDC me, who take Kevin Taylor. At time, one more.